This is footage from a traditional action camera, the GoPro HERO 12, and this is footage from a 360 action camera, the Insta360 X3. So which action camera is best for you? Let's find out.
The GoPro HERO 12 costs £400 and the Insta360 X3 costs £460. Recording selfie video is easy with the HERO 12. Just point the lens at yourself, press record, and you can see a video preview on the front screen. The X3 has two lenses, a front lens and a back lens. Using single lens mode, you can film GoPro-like video from the front or back lens. Take a look at the selfie videos side by side. Both action cameras output high quality video, but overall it is the HERO 12 that has the more detailed and steady video. However, the X3 can record selfie videos without a selfie stick in shot. When you film in 360 video mode, the X3 uses both lenses to record a ball of video. When you attach anything thin enough between the two lenses, like this selfie stick, then it will automatically appear invisible in the final shot. You can point the selfie stick in different directions to make it look like you have a cameraman filming you. And if you use a 3-meter long selfie stick, you can even make it look like a fake drone shot. Filming 360 video has 3 more major advantages. Number 1 is be in the moment. With the HERO 12, you always need to check your framing is correct. Looking at the camera distracts you from seeing the moment in real life. With the X3, the framing does not matter, because later in editing you can point where you want to look in the 360 video. So now you can truly be in the moment without the distraction of framing. Number 2 is superior stabilization. When I tilt the HERO 12 and X3 side to side, the horizon will stay straight, because both of these cameras have horizon lock stabilization. But when I tilt the HERO 12 and X3 up and down, only the X3 can keep the horizon completely straight. So it actually does not matter which angle you mount the X3, your video will always be steady and horizon leveled. And number 3 is cut out any aspect ratio. From the same 360 video, you can cut out a 9:16 video for TikTok or a 16:9 video for YouTube without losing any video quality. But there are 2 main disadvantages of 360 action cameras compared to traditional action cameras. The highest video resolution you can record on the X3 is 5.7K. The 5.7K resolution is spread throughout the entire 360 video. So when you cut out a 16:9 or 9:16 aspect ratio video from a 5.7K ball of video, then you only get a 1080p video output at best, compared to the superior 5.3K video output on the HERO 12. The second disadvantage are the fixed lenses. If you accidentally scratch or scuff one of your lenses, there is no easy way to change the lens yourself. You will need to send your X3 off for repair, which can cost up to £120 per lens. The HERO 12 also has a solution to help you record a single video for YouTube and TikTok without any compromise in video quality. The HERO 12 can record 8:7 aspect ratio video. In this aspect ratio, you can cut out a 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratio video, but horizon lock stabilization is disabled in this mode. If your audience watches your videos on their phone, then 1080p video is actually okay. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts encourage 1080p uploads anyway, but if your audience watches your videos on a bigger screen like a laptop or TV, then there will be a noticeable difference in video quality between the HERO 12 and X3. So you need to make a choice. If you want the best video quality possible, then you need the HERO 12. If you're okay with 1080p video quality and want invisible selfie stick shots, then you need the X3. The best slow motion mode on the HERO 12 is 4K 120 frames per second. The slow motion video in this mode is incredibly slow and detailed. There is also a high resolution 5.3K 60 frames per second mode as well. The best slow motion mode on the X3 is 4K 60 frames per second, but it also has a very unique 4K 120 frames per second bullet time video mode. In this mode, you attach the X3 to a string, swing the X3 around your head, and you get this 360 matrix-like effect. When it comes to time-lapses, a 360 camera has a major advantage. Because you are recording a time-lapse as a ball of video, you can add cinematic camera movements in editing, so you can turn a static time-lapse into a motion time-lapse. On the HERO 12, you can only capture a static time-lapse. A 360 camera also has another trick up its sleeve. I'm going to put the X3 on the ground, run around the X3 a few times, and after you edit it, you'll have this tiny planet effect. If you want to talk to the camera and record your voice clearly, then I recommend using an external microphone. The internal mics of action cameras are just not good enough in windy weather conditions and busy environments. To connect an external microphone to the Hero 12, I recommend using the Media Mod, which costs £79.99. The Media Mod is a cage for the Hero 12, which has a mount and connection for an external microphone. I recommend using the Rode Wireless Me microphone, which costs £124.
And now you have a nice and compact vlogging setup to capture amazing audio quality with your Hero 12.
To connect an external microphone to the X3, you need the X3 mic adapter, which costs £20.99, and the X3 cold shoe, which also costs £20.99. I recommend using the Rode Wireless Me microphone, which is invisible between the two lenses.
And now you have the luxury of good sound quality and clean 360 video in any environment.
The Hero 12 and X3 battery life are quite similar. From a full battery, the Hero 12 can record around 90 minutes of 5.3K 30 frames per second video, and the X3 can record around 80 minutes of 5.7K 30 frames per second video. From 0%, the Hero 12 battery will take around 120 minutes to fully charge, and the X3 battery will take around 90 minutes to fully charge. To get all-day battery life on both cameras, you can buy a multi-charger and additional batteries. The Hero 12 dual charger plus 2 extra Enduro batteries costs £59.99. The X3 fast charging hub costs £49.99 on its own, and spare batteries cost £34.99 each. If you use a 256GB microSD card in the Hero 12 and X3, then you can expect to record around 4 hours and 6 minutes of 5.3K 30 frames per second video on the Hero 12, and around 4 hours and 29 minutes of 5.7K 30 frames per second video on the X3. Both the Hero 12 and X3 have large, easy to use touchscreens to change modes and settings, but the X3 screen is much more responsive and intuitive to use. It's worth mentioning that you do need a smartphone and their respective apps to activate these cameras before you can start using them. If you are going to do water sports above the water, then you don't need to worry about the Hero 12 or X3 getting wet because they are both waterproof down to 10 meters. The Hero 12 is the only camera to have a water repellent lens, so when the water droplets hit the lens, the water droplets slide off instantly to give you a clean shot. The X3 lenses are not water repellent, so the water droplets on the lenses can unfortunately spoil the shot. If you plan to dive deep below the water, then you can get a protective housing which lets you take your Hero 12 down to 60 meters underwater. It costs £49.99, and the invisible dive case will let you take your X3 down to 50 meters underwater, and it costs £97.99. For any underwater activity with the X3, you must use the invisible dive case because without it you will not get seamless 360 video underwater. So how fast and easy is the editing workflow from your phone? Let's compare the GoPro and Insta360 app workflow when making a short video. For the Hero 12, you need to download the GoPro Quick app. The Hero 12 connects wirelessly to the app. In the GoPro tab, you can view all your videos. Tap a video to preview it. To edit the video, you have to download the video to your phone first. View media. Tab edit. Here you can use these tools to edit your video. Tap save. And finally, you can export the video to your phone album. For the X3, you need to download the Insta360 app. The X3 connects wirelessly to the app, and the best thing about the Insta360 app is that you can start editing a video straight away without downloading it to your phone. So running out of phone storage space is never an issue. With 360 video, there is an extra step in editing. You need to choose which part of the 360 video you want to show your audience and when. This is called reframing. Once you finish reframing, then you can export the video to your phone album, ready to upload onto social media. Editing Hero 12 videos on desktop is pretty straightforward. Drag and drop the videos into your favorite video editor and begin editing. When editing X3 videos on desktop, you need to use Insta360 Studio to reframe your 360 videos, export the reframed videos, and then you can import these videos into your favorite video editing software. If you have any questions about the Hero 12 or X3, drop them in the comments below. The links to the Hero 12, X3 and their accessories are in the video description. I do have a special affiliate link for the X3. If you click the link below, then Insta360 will give you a free invisible selfie stick with the X3 worth £28. Then you have everything you need to create invisible selfie stick shots.